Well, hello everyone. It's Donna. How are you doing today? So the other day I was sitting around. I had recreated most of the. Well, I can't say recreated. I created myself an AccuQuilt cube quilt block set from the 72 that AccuQuilt has that you can download. And I went through and I pulled them out in EQ8, and I've got them all saved off. And anyway, I was thinking I'm gonna make it just a simple thing really quick. And I thought, we hear about this big wedding and stuff that's coming up, and what is more a color appropriate than kind of like the yellow gold, the red, and the white. So I played around with one dye, and I have come up with a quilt that I'm going to be making. So I've actually got a couple of strips, or actually had them cut, so that I can now take these and run them through. Initially, I'm going to be cutting 64 pair. So it's going to be fun, and I'm going to be using the 2x2 die, or the block, and I am calling this pattern All Roads Lead to You. So this is going to be a little bit fun. So, I'm excited to get started. I think these fabrics will actually look pretty good together. So, and this will be the road. Anyway, I hope you come and see the progress as it goes on. We will talk to you later. Bye.